What's going on, everyone? We got a 2024 Hyundai Elantra. Today we were replacing the cabin air filter. It's gonna be located behind your glove box. So we're gonna pull this glove box down. You can even remove the glove box if you want to. But there's these stoppers right here that stop the glove box from opening out all the way. We're gonna just push these in like this. And when you're gonna kind of pull the glove box towards you, you might notice it might come off one of the hinges down here. It's perfectly normal, okay? Same thing on this side. Kind of work your way around. This rubber's here. You're just gonna lower it like that. Now you notice, like I was talking about how it can come off here, just like this. You can remove it if you want to. It's made to do this. Now we're gonna take this door off right here. So you grab these two clips right here, squeeze them, pull towards you, take that off. Here is a factory cabin filter, okay? We notice here that the cabin, the airflow direction says down, so when we put our aftermarket filter in, we're gonna wanna do the same thing. You can see the difference between an old one and a new one. This car actually only has 10,000 miles on it, so this is what it looks like. It's never been changed, I don't think. So it gets pretty gross, pretty dirty, pretty clogged up. Here's our aftermarket filter we picked up on Amazon. There will be a link down in the description box for the correct size for this car. So check that out. There's all kinds of upgrades on there too. But we want to make sure we install it with the arrows facing down, okay? But the upgrades would be, you can get an upgraded filter. This one's not the upgraded one. It has charcoal built into it that helps you with odor. So just check that out if you're interested in that. Snap the door back on, and then we're just going to close this, okay? And then we're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment if you could, and I hope to see you again in another Hyundai video.